Hello there everyone, G-Mech again, back with another video. Just want to pass this video on. Way down there below the intake is the crankshaft sensor, which I had the intake, everything off, and decided to just upgrade all the, or update, put all new injectors on. It had a little bit of a mild miss, an erratic idle, and the car has 128,000 on it, so we decided to do some new injectors in it, all new sensors in the back, oil pressure sensor, everything in the back here, mass air or throttle position sensor, idle air control valve. Just went to town and changed everything. Again, I've worked on this car before, shown in my videos. The one tip I wanted to show here was this guy. This is the crankshaft sensor, and as you can see, the top of it actually broke off. So this part was still stuck in the block. So I was able to, down there, once I had the intake and everything off, able to get in there and drill a hole in there, put that screw in there, and then take vice grips, work it back and forth, and eventually get it out. But there was rust in this area in here inside the block and prevented it to come out the block. So cleaned it all up, installed the new sensor, installed all the other ones, and now this car is good to go. So I'm here finishing this up. Just want to pass that video on to you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and remember, keep on wrenching.